My dear students, welcome back to English class. As in the previous class, we have started chapter Adventures in Antarctica. So, we have seen first page of the chapter Adventures in Antarctica. So, now second page, that is page number 24. You all open, children. I'll read the paragraph and I'll explain about that. And in the previous class, we have seen that Survi Thomas and Rishi Thomas, they have got the invitation. Okay, what invitation they have got? To go to Antarctica. So, and they could not believe their eyes. They could not believe their ears. Really? Are they kidding us? They have got the invitation from technical team by Chilean Navy. So we will start. We will see next paragraph, children. Are we hallucinating? We thought. Hallucinating meaning means seeing or hearing things that are really not there. So these things really they could not believe, and they were thinking themselves that are they kidding us? Are they making fun of us? Our parents were now grinning widely at us. They assured us this was no trick. They and we had been invited to go to Antarctica as part of an expedition. Do you know, children, expedition means what? Expedition meaning a special job, a special task given for a special purpose. To achieve something given for a special purpose, that is called an expedition. So here one task was given, one special job was given to Survi Thomas and Rishi Thomas. The purpose of the expedition, what was that, children? In the next paragraph it is given there. The purpose of the expedition was to set up the first mobile phone based on the Antarctic mainland. So far we had only read a little about Antarctic in geography textbook, isn't it? So in the geography textbook we have learned about that. But here they have explained how they enjoyed expedition to Antarctica. It was listed as the 7th continent of the world. In the previous class I have told you, children, there are 7 continents. So among that, one of is the Antarctica. And I have told you, I have given you additional information about Antarctica, that it occupies twice the place of Australia, that is also one continent. Okay, the size, the area is twice of Australia. Do you remember, children? So 7th continent of the world, largely unexplored, covered in ice and snow all year round. It released a gigantic iceberg, had cocky little penguins that look like cute butlers in the black and white plumage. So here some new words are there. Icebergs, you might be knowing this word in geography or in history, you might be knowing this word. Iceberg, what is an iceberg, children? Iceberg. Iceberg, it is a piece of ice. It is a piece of fresh water ice. Fresh water ice broken from what? Piece broken from glacier. Do you know glacier, children? Piece broken from glacier. So it is called an iceberg, isn't it? Did you understand iceberg? Once again I will tell you, iceberg, it is a piece broken from glacier. Piece broken from a huge piece of ice. So here, icebergs are very dangerous, children. Why icebergs are very dangerous? When they flip. When they flip. Flip means, you know, no? When they rotate, when they move, when they flip. What happens? Tsunami, earthquake, natural disaster. You know, children? Natural disaster, we call it as natural, not man-made, not by terrorists. This is natural. natural disaster, that is tsunami, caused by icebergs when they flake. Natural disaster. So natural disaster may cause when the icebergs they flake. Which natural disaster? As I have told you, tsunami, earthquake, etc., etc. So they are very dangerous. Then next, what is given children about icebergs? I have told you just now. I hope you understood about icebergs. And it releases gigantic. Gigantic means very huge. Giant we call now. Giant. Giant, what we call in Hindi? Rakshas. Gigantic means very huge size. Gigantic icebergs had cocky little penguins. Cocky meaning is given in the textbook, children. Cocky means too confident about yourself in a way that annoys other people. Cocky. Some people will be too confident. And how they speak, even if they are wrong, they speak confidently and they will try to prove it right. That kind of people are cocky people. Those kind of people are called as cocky people. Even if they are wrong, what they say, very confidently they say, no, mine is correct. So here cocky meaning is given, children. Cocky means what? Informal, too confident about yourself in a way that annoys other people. Annoys meaning, children, annoys means what? That make them angry. Annoy. Annoy means angry. Some people they make angry because even if they are wrong, they prove it as right. So, it released gigantic icebergs, had cocky little penguins that looked like cute butlers in their blacks and white plumage. So, black and white plumage. Butler meaning, children, butler. Butlers are like, is a manservant of a house. We call them as butler. Manservant of a house. The common dress for the butler, they wear, white and black suit, isn't it? And penguins, how they look? In white and black suit. So here they have compared penguins with butlers. Why they have compared penguins with butlers? Because even penguins, they wear the same white and black, isn't it? Penguins feathers, soft feathers, black and white. So these are compared with the butlers. Even butlers uniform, how it will be? White and black suit. So it released gigantic icebergs, had cocky little penguins that looked like cute butlers in their black and white plumage. Plumage, one more new word, children. Plumage, do you know the meaning of plumage? Plumage meaning is, plumage, I imagine that you are sitting in the class and I am asking you who will tell the meaning of plumage. Actually, I will tell you the meaning of plumage, okay? Plumage is the soft feathers of the birds. Plumage means soft feathers of the bird. So, its ancient name was Terra Incognita, the unknown land. Now we were actually going into this unknown, frozen and faraway place. Our chest puffed up and we began to think of ourselves as great explorers, ready to conquer stormy seas and discover the untold secrets of our planet. So they were ready to go for an expedition with puffed. They were very proud of. So it is given their chest. Okay, chest how they puffed up. And we began to think of ourselves as great explorers. They were very proud of. They were very happy to go to an expedition to Antarctica. Children of young age, Indian children, those are young age of 14 and 11. And they were really very happy to go to an expedition. And their chests were puffed up. They were very proud. and we began to think of ourselves as great explorers ready to conquer stormy seas and discover the untold secrets of our planet. Untold secrets of our planet. They were ready to discover that. So, I would like to stop here, children. Till where we have finished today? Are we hallucinating? Page number page number 24. First paragraph. Today we have seen till where are we hallucinating from their untold secrets of our planet. Okay, children? Children, you can see it on the screen. Icebergs. In the previous class, I have told you about icebergs. Okay, icebergs, they are the piece of ice which are broken from glacier. Broken from glacier. These are the icebergs, children. Ice breakers. Those are called as growlers. Those are called as growlers. Okay, because when they flip, in the last class I have told you, when they flip, it makes a big sound, gigantic. So only on page number 24, gigantic icebergs it is there. So I am showing you the picture of that gigantic iceberg, giant monster like it will be. So they make a huge sound. So they are called as growlers. These are the ice breakers, icebergs.